you've probably noticed, I'm gonna go build this Keen Ramps slapstick. I guess that's what it's called. And we're gonna go to Calera Park to do it because it's usually, you know, I'm usually secluded there. There's not, maybe a kid or two will show up, I don't know, but it's usually like empty. But we'll have to clean it up before we start because I know that park is going to be covered in rocks as usual, as you've seen in maybe a couple previous videos of me cleaning that place. But we're gonna get it cleaned up and then we'll start building this thing. The rocks here aren't too bad. There's some pebbles and stuff kind of spread out everywhere. I'll probably still sweep, but kind of picked a bad day to do this because it's pretty windy, but we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna get this thing built. That's a long walk to my car over there. I'm kind of thinking about driving my car up just to unload that. We did it. That's graceful. All right. Well, came with this little box in a spot where it's not going to blow away. Is there anything in here anymore? No. I'll put this right here. These are the sides here. You got the coping and everything else. I'm gonna try to put this together now. Cool. Better put that down. I'm gonna take a look at the these instructions, if there is any, because there's two different sets of screws. There's like silver screws, and there's also like these like galvanized screws. And I'm not real sure which ones go where, so we're gonna figure that out now. Oh, sick! I'm so pumped. I love stickers. And we have tons of them now. Look how many stickers they put in your order, by the way, if you order one of these, or I guess if you order a ramp too or anything. That's crazy. I did not get this many stickers with my flat bar. Alright, so it looks like using the 2.5 inch screws, greenish colored ones, attached to the floor. Okay. Easy enough. We can do this. This is easy. We didn't need to look at that. I'm kind of a dummy. So I figured out what I did wrong. When you put these together, make sure you get one side on and then do diagonal, like so do this side next. Don't do one side at a time. So go this way, that way, this way, like, or otherwise it won't be level. So, but it's all good now. We got the first 2x4s on. I feel like this is taking way longer than it should. And this part's really easy because these just slide in. It's like, it fits really snug. And then you just screw them in and the 2x4 just stays in place. So it's really easy to get that one on there. Oops. No way. My battery just died. No way, dude. I didn't check to see if my battery's charged. There is an outlet over here, so I might just go plug it up for a second. To be continued. Holy shit. Don't do flat ground tricks next to a flat bar. Wow. This video's not going well. Tripod broke when my phone fell. Alright, so we should have enough battery to finish this slapstick, so let's get it put together and maybe do a trick on it, because I kind of feel like I have bad luck today. I don't want to go crazy on it. Maybe in another video I'll skate it a little more, but it's not feeling too safe today. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Took a lot longer than I had planned, but it looks good. I don't think I did too bad for a build for dummies. I got my Sharpie and I darkened the Keen Ramps logo on there. But yeah, I'm not gonna have any footage of me skating it today because I broke my tripod. I want to get another one, but yeah, that's easy enough. If you want to get one of these, I recommend it. Although I'm saying that, you know, before skating it. But see you on the next video. Peace out.